Hey, so you are here in my course and we are going to discuss the content of this course. So this course is going to cover the keywords being highlighted here. We are going to use Arduino board as our main board and we are going to integrate a lot of sensors and output devices to make robots. So, first of all, we will learn about what is Tinkercad platform. It is a free platform from Autodesk where you can simulate the circuits using Arduino or any other electronic devices. Then we are going to learn how to access this platform, how to create circuits using this. All you need is an email ID and the account creation and everything is free. We will get started with Arduino after that, and initially we are going to learn how to control an LED, a motor, multiple motors using simple Arduino programs. We are going to write these programs using Scratch programming. So we are going to learn Scratch programming as well. We are going to learn how to integrate multiple sensors and with the help of program control output devices like motors. Then we will come to a lot of sensor integrations like ultrasonic sensor, temperature sensor, PIR, gas sensor, and all these things. Some of these sensors may not be controlled by Scratch programming alone. So very brief introduction of Arduino C language will also be done. All you need is a logical thinking mind process. Once you know how to handle the inputs and how to process the data and get your output, the programming language will be a very helpful tool to do all the tasks that you need to do. So in the end, we are going to discuss that all these simulations should not remain as a simulation alone. We need to bring them on the actual hardware. So how to do that? So we are going to learn how to bring your Tinkercad simulation on an Arduino board. So that's all. We are going to use a new software called MBlock, which will translate your Scratch programming code into Arduino codes, and you will be able to connect your Arduino with your machine. So this is our course and we welcome you all, and let's connect to the Tinkercad now.